T-Mobile's Digits service forwards SMS and MMS text to multiple devices using one phone number, but message delays or failures are common, particularly on iOS. The primary reason is forwarding problems. Texts are routed through T-Mobile's servers, causing delays when your primary device loses signal. Sync issues prevent real-time updates across devices. This often stems from weak Wi-Fi or cellular connections or app cache corruption. The Digits app needs access to SMS, notifications, and storage to work properly. Check permissions in your device settings. Let's troubleshoot these areas: forwarding, sync, and permissions. To fix Digits text issues, first ensure your primary phone has a strong signal. In the Digits app, under Settings, confirm that Forward Texts is enabled for all desired devices. If sync is failing, force close and reopen the Digits app or clear the app's cache. For Android, grant SMS, notification, and storage permissions in the App Settings or System Permissions. On iOS, enable Messages and Cellular Data toggles for Digits. If problems persist, restart your devices and re-authenticate your Digits account. Also, be aware of potential carrier-specific glitches like SIM card errors or APN setting mismatches, and contact T-Mobile support if needed. Many issues stem from Apple's tighter background app refresh limits on iOS, so ensure the Digits app is allowed to run in the background.